Is your Nissan Cube's key fob working intermittently or not at all? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Before you begin, gather these essential items: a new CR2032 battery, a common 3-volt lithium coin cell, and a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob opening tool. Optionally, you might need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure you have these prepared before starting. Carefully inspect your Nissan Cube key fob. Locate the seam running along the sides. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or key fob opener into this seam and carefully pry the two halves apart. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the CR2032 battery. The battery is typically held in place by a small plastic clip or spring. Gently pry the battery out, noting the orientation with the positive side up. This is crucial for installing the new battery correctly. Take your new CR2032 battery and place it into the battery compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the clip or spring. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Align them properly and press firmly until they click into place. Make sure the seam is flush and there are no gaps. Now, test the fob by pressing the lock or unlock buttons from about 10 feet away. If the car responds, the replacement was successful. If not, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts or damage to the circuit board. Clean the contacts gently with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. If the problem persists, the fob may require reprogramming at a Nissan dealership. Always use a genuine CR2032 battery for optimal performance. Counterfeit batteries may not provide consistent voltage and can fail prematurely. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. CR2032 batteries contain lithium and should not be thrown in regular trash to avoid environmental harm. This procedure applies specifically to 2009-2010 Nissan Cube models. Later models may use different fob designs or require reprogramming. Remember, DIY saves you money. CR2032 batteries cost only a few dollars, compared to potentially hundreds of dollars if done at the dealer.